This is how you can configure Hotspot on the iPhone. The first step is to ensure you have proper cellular data connection on your device. So just turn off the Wi-Fi entirely and just see if you have like 5G, 4G, whatever. Ensure that you can connect to the internet over your cellular data. Then head over to the settings, and right below the cellular data settings or menu, you can find personal hotspot, which can be customized and managed according to your needs. So at first, open up the page and ensure that allow other people to join is turned on. After this or below this, you have the Wi-Fi password. So this means that your settings are set that when the people want to join, they have to type in that specific password. If people in the past were joining now, you might want to reset the password once again. Besides this, you can also maximize compatibility, which is useful if you have older devices connecting your hotspot, because even though it can lower the gigahertz or the bandwidth, but more devices and more compatibility is going to be ensured by turning on this option. When it comes to the name of the network, this can be managed by changing the name of the entire iPhone, which can be changed in the general section. Then in the about, you have the name of your device. And if you customize and change this, it will also be reflected in the network name when you share your personal hotspot. Besides that, you might also want to look into some other ways to connect, because at the bottom you have 3 ways to connect. You can connect through the Wi-Fi, which is the basic hotspot. Then you have the Bluetooth as well as the USB connection. So you might as well just connect USB cable to your computer and share internet and hotspot this way. So this is how you can set it up in the settings. Honestly, I really do hope that you find this video helpful. For more content and straight to the point tutorials, subscribe to Foxtecc so you never miss videos like these in the future. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next one.